My Chinese name is Yueh Shih Liao, but you can call me Nina. My name is Nina, and I'm from Taiwan. My work base is in Taiwan too, but I manage in India's payroll. So that's the reason I would like to know India's HR information more. The company I work is named Samtec. We are doing the electronic manufacturing, and the certification I complete is HR Generalist. The reason I choose CHRMP is because of flexibility. I can learn the information, the knowledge from online anytime, anywhere, and also I can check because I'm not really know about India's HR information, so I can check everything when I meet problem issues in my work. So that's great to me. Yes, and I will recommend the CHRMP to my friends and colleagues. Thank you.